In this video we are going to build an image converter using Trae AI. So let's open Trae AI. If you are not seeing this window, it means you have not opened a folder. So, click on the File option from the top left corner and select the Open Folder option, or you can also press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. On the right side there are two options, Chat and Builder. The Builder option is still in beta and allows users to build applications just by prompting, aka vibe coding. The Chat option lets us interact with the AI model to ask questions and get answers. To demonstrate this, I'm going to ask a question now. Let's type, "Can I build an AI chatbot for free?" and hit enter. In the bottom right corner of the prompt box, you can see that Trae is using Claude 3.5 Sonnet model. And after thinking for a few seconds, Trae has generated a detailed reply with code. I request you to pause the screen and read the reply. Now let's switch back to the builder and say, develop a web application that converts uploaded images into pencil sketches using image processing techniques. Users can see their photos transformed into artwork in real time. And let's hit that enter button. That's it, Trae starts working on our project. It takes care of everything from setting up the environment, initializing the project, and developing the entire application. And at some points, Trae asks for permission to run commands in the terminal. I request you to read what it says before giving permissions. And now, Trae is installing NPM, which stands for Node Package Manager. This NPM is used to manage the JavaScript packages. Next it asks for permissions to run some commands, and I'm gonna run them all. When I tried to run this, I encountered two errors. All I did was copy-pasting the error on the prompt box and asking Trae to fix it. And now the web page is ready. Now I'm gonna open an image from my PC. I have imported an image of a boy from my PC. The uploading process is smooth. I am glad there is no error in the uploading part. Because while I was learning to develop web pages, I used to make a lot of mistakes in simple tasks like image uploading and state updating. Let's scroll down further to see the output. Oh my gosh. Actually, this is not what I expected. But still, this is fair for a rough showcase. And if you want to develop this further, you can say, the pencil sketch is not fine, tune it with more iterations of neural networks or something like that in the prompt box. For this video, I think this is enough. And by the way, one of the viewers asked how to open the AI sidebar. Is it closed? You have to go to the top and click on the toggle AI sidebar option to open it again. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how easy coding has become. So that's it for today. Play with this AI as you wish. If you find this helpful, consider liking and subscribing. Comment below your favorite AI code assistant. See you in the next video.